Hello dears. Welcome to my channel Story English. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more stories. Now let's start. Once upon a time, there was a stray dog wandering around in search of food and shelter. One day, the dog saw a big house with a beautiful garden, and he decided to go inside and explore. As the dog was wandering in the garden, he saw a pack of well-trained dogs playing with their owner. The stray dog was amazed at how well-behaved and happy these dogs were. The owner of the dogs saw the stray dog and asked him to come and play with them. At first, the stray dog was hesitant and didn't want to get too close to the other dogs. But after a while, he saw how friendly and welcoming they were, and he started to play with them. Days turned into weeks, and the stray dog kept coming back to the big house to play with his new friends. He learned many things from them, such as how to behave, how to follow commands, and how to be loyal. One day, the owner of the dogs offered the stray dog a permanent home in the big house. The stray dog was overjoyed and grateful for this opportunity. He had finally found a place where he belonged and where he could be loved and cared for. From that day on, the stray dog worked hard to learn all the tricks and commands the other dogs knew. He practiced every day and never gave up. Eventually, he became just as well-trained and well-behaved as the other dogs. The moral of this story is that with hard work, dedication, and the right guidance, anyone can achieve their goals and find a place where they belong. I hope you found my story interesting. For more, please like, comment, share. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more stories.